Hi, my name is Kyle. I'm Canadian. I've been living in Vietnam, specifically Hanoi, for about 4 years, and I'm one of the co-founders of ARCH.
Hey, my name is Diego. I'm originally born in Colombia, but I was raised in Montreal, Canada.
Hello, my name is Matthew, and I'm a Canadian, and I've been living in Vietnam for close to 4 years. I'm one of the founders of ARCH.Cafe. I believe when you go to most cafes in town, you come to recharge your body and drink a coffee. We like to offer that, but also for your mind and your soul.
We've been working on the project for about a month to a month and a half, building everything, getting everything ready together, putting the concepts together, and we were finally able to open on the 17th of October, 2020. So I think that it all comes down to opportunities, and when things happen, sometimes they just happen the way they are. We were very lucky that we found this property and the conditions that we found it in were very, very advantageous because of COVID, the previous business owner had to actually shut down.
And Vietnam gives us that opportunity to follow our other desires, follow our other inspirations. So having a cafe with, this beautiful view that we had, you can't let that opportunity pass.
We have already seen many bars, many cafes, many restaurants on the other side of Tay Ho where Vietnamese people almost feel a little bit intimidated to go because of the Western vibe. And vice versa, a lot of Western people don't go into a lot of really cool bia huis because they don't feel that as welcome as well. What we're trying to do at ARCH is pretty much break that boundary and have a space that through arts, music, events, markets, and community, we can just bring together both sides and share the best of what we can share together.
Given the situation of the pandemic, we realized large gatherings are not going to be the way for the next few years, but we still had so much creative energy we wanted to channel. Sometimes it's even all in one day where we'll have one artist performing on the first floor, an empowerment workshop for women on the second floor, maybe on the rooftop someone is doing yoga, and we're just so happy that we can be offering a space that feels like so multi-level and for anyone to find what they're looking for. In the evening, we've played music from all over the world. We have DJs, and I myself like to DJ, and that's where a lot of my passion comes from for bringing people together is music.
The business environment here gives you many opportunities to try different things. Things that, normally we couldn't see as a possibility maybe in our own country.
Our life here feels very comfortable because we have found a place that has balance and that has sense.
I think one of the things that I like the most about Vietnam, and I think where Vietnam is a leader right now in the world, is just the amount of growth and opportunities that are here for the young people are just unimaginable for most people in Western countries. Here in Vietnam, there's always the possibility for the new generation and the old generations to do many great things. All you need to do is put in a little bit of hard work. I came here to grow, and I've seen myself grow more here than anywhere else that I've ever been before in such a short amount of time.
Over the last 4 years for me, I've really made a home out of Vietnam, having a Vietnamese wife, having my first daughter, as well as opening up several businesses here in Hanoi. It feels like home for me.
And this edition of When in Vietnam has come to an end. Hope you had a relaxing time with us.